guys, and in this video I'll be doing a quick review on this RAVPower battery charger for my Sony F batteries. So the first thing I want to talk about is the build quality, and in terms of how it's made and built and how it feels very durable. It doesn't feel cheap at all, if I'm being brutally honest, and these connectors here which slide into these batteries are really good. So normally you can get some cheaper ones that are quite flimsy, but you can see these are firm, they don't bend or move at all, and they give that nice audible click or that nice little feeling that it's secure once you slide the battery in. So this particular model comes with two batteries, which is great because I can use one in my field monitor when I'm obviously recording, and I can keep one on charge, so I always know there's going to be one fresh battery for me to use when the one in the field monitor dies out. So as you can see, it comes with two little indicators, which is obviously going to be for this area and this area. Both ports work independent of each other, so when there's no battery in here, it's going to be green, symbolizing that there's either a full charge or there's no battery in there, and when this is charging it's going to be red, which is obviously going to indicate that there is a battery present and charging. When the battery is fully charged, which I don't know, roughly takes around 2 to 3 hours depending on what you plug it into. If you plug it into a weak power supply, it's going to take longer. If you plug it into your car, if you plug it into your computer, if you plug it into the wall directly, it will obviously charge quicker. So yeah, it's powered by micro USB, so you can see here it comes with a micro USB cable, which is okay. I would like it to be USB-C, so I could just plug it straight into my MacBook, but that's not too much of a problem anyway. So overall, it's a cool little unit. It does what it says on the tin. One little minor thing, it's a minor thing, but it doesn't come with a power adapter, so you are going to have to bring your own power adapter to power on the device. It's not really a big problem, like I said, it is a minor issue, but yeah, if you don't have one of these, then I don't know where you've been the last 5-10 years, because everyone has one of these. So if you don't have one, then yeah, go back upstairs, crawl under your duvet and just go to sleep.
What are you doing?
And that's the video, guys. Give it a like if this video's helped. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification button as well so you can be notified every Monday when a video comes out, and I'll see you in the next one.